guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing shoes from another sustainable and eco-friendly brand, Vivaia. These days, I'm trying to be more conscious of the types of fashion that I consume. So when Vivaia reached out to me for a collaboration, this was something that I knew would be a good match. So just a quick introduction about the brand. Vivaia is a UK and US based company which produces sustainable and eco-friendly shoes. They have a variety of styles available, from loafers, ballerina flats, sandals, mules to sneakers. So they have a bunch of shoe styles available, and they're mainly known for their material called TOTE, which I will discuss more later on. So let's go on to the unboxing. This is just the box. It's very plain and simple. It just says, "Step into conscious comfort, stylish, sustainable Vivaia." And then on the side it just says like no waste, recyclable, and then the shoe detail on the side, and then over here it just says made from recycled materials. And when you open it up, this is actually something to note that is stated here, which is an important note about their material. It says, "Thank you for helping our ocean and recycling more than 6 plastic water bottles, preventing from breaking into millions of microplastics and harming marine life." So there's some graphics on the box, and I'll just show you guys up close. It means that one pair of shoes is equivalent to about a little more than 6 plastic bottles. And that's where their material called TOTE comes in, which I mentioned earlier. I'll show you guys the shoes first, and I'll discuss more about their technology called TOTE. So there's just some paper inside, and when you open it, this is what the shoe looks like. And as you can see, I made sure to match my outfit with these shoes. So these are the shoes that I got, and it's like exactly matching with my outfit right now. Yes, I did that on purpose. These are called the Julie round toe chunky heels. So as you can see, it's just a round toe, and it has a chunky heel over here. The heel is around 45 millimeters, so it's very walkable. And they also claim that their shoes were made to be very comfortable. So these are the shoes, and I'll just remove the stuffing first so you guys can see what the insole looks like as well. So it's just plain black inside. And so these are what the shoes look like. And as you can see, they are very, very classy, and they really go with my outfit right now. It's the exact match with my outfit. It's a two-tone ballerina flat with a TOTE material on the upper, and it's just a rubber sole below. As you can see, the shoe is very high quality. The outer material called TOTE actually seems very durable. So now that we're on to the material and make of the shoe, I want to discuss more about the TOTE technology that I mentioned earlier. So as you can see, and I will just do close-ups, it's a knit material. So the material feels like fabric, but it's a very durable knit. Now, this knit, as I mentioned earlier, it said on the box that one pair is equivalent to a little more than 6 plastic bottles. Now, you may ask, how did plastic bottles turn into a knit type of material, right? And that is because of their TOTE technology. So basically, their company has a supply chain where they recycle discarded plastic bottles from the ocean. The factory cleans up those plastic bottles, sanitizes them, and then they have a cutting machine where the plastic bottles are cut into pieces and eventually turned into threads. So basically, they chip the plastic bottles into tiny little particles, and those little particles are later extruded into threads, which make up the composition of this knit fabric, which I think is a pretty cool technology, because recently I've read a book called Fashionopolis, and in this book I read about so much new technology when it comes to sustainability. And when I read about Vivaia's tech, I realized that Vivaia is actually one of the brands that have begun to implement this new tech. Now, aside from their outer material, their insole has some tech as well. So their insole is called V-Foam, which is a dual layer foam support system. So if you check the website, they have like diagrams there of like the layers of what their sole looks like. So you can just check it out on their website if you want to know more about their insole technology. But basically, the V-Foam tech is designed to make the shoes really comfortable, and they actually marketed these heels as the heels that you can run in. I tried it on as soon as I received the package, and I can tell you guys that upon first fit, it was already very comfortable. The heel area is padded as well, so this area, if you touch it, there's like some foam there to give support to your ankles, and also so that it would avoid blisters. So yeah, I feel like there's a lot of cushioning involved in the design of the shoe to make it a very comfortable shoe for wear. Finally, Basically, aside from the insole using V-foam technology, the material that the insole is made of, it's from natural herb and PU foam. So because of the material that they use, they claim that the sole is very breathable, mold-proof, and it helps avoid moisture. So in general, the sole is also helped to avoid smelly feet, even in summer or in like hot and humid temperatures. So for the insole, they basically call it like a deodorizing insole. So I have yet to try that, but maybe I can do a follow-up review in the future. Now with regard to sizing, I got these Vivaia shoes in a size 39. I am usually a size 38 in designer heels, but I am a 39 in designer flats. But since these are like a short heel, I wasn't sure whether to go with my flat size or my heel size, so I just went with a bigger size to be sure, and also because on the website it says that you should get the size up. So I got these in 39, but after trying it on, I think for a more snug fit, I could have gotten a 38.5. So it still fits really well and I can walk in them, but I think for the perfect size, it would be like a 38.5 for me. So I think for me to have like that perfect fit, I'll probably just add in a cork. So for sizing, for this specific Julia chunky heel, I would recommend only a half size up from your designer shoe size. So that's about it for these shoes. As you can see, they're very, very beautiful. These are something that can definitely take you from day to night. Matches my outfit really well. I feel like this would do as like a really pretty office shoe, and you can take it out for errands after, or you can even take this from like day to night, like from the office, and then you'll have drinks with your friends after. I feel like it's a very classy shoe to wear. Also, with the technology of these shoes and the sustainability aspect of it, I really don't think that you can go wrong. So if you're interested in these shoes, you can check out their website or their Instagram at Vivaia Official. I will just link it down below. And of course, I also have a discount code for you guys. So if you guys are interested in any of their shoes, you can use my code Trisha15 for 15% off on any of their shoes site-wide. They ship globally and offer 30 days free return and exchange. If you guys like this video, I would really appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below to help the YouTube algorithm, and if you want to connect with me in my socials, it's at TrishDLF. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you could, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!